Hi everyone, this is Beth Boysen from Boysenberry Soaps, and welcome to the Strainer Swirl Attempt 2. So the last time I did this swirl, I used this strainer. It has a very small little holes in it, and my soap was too thick, and it wasn't working out. So this is another strainer. This is from the dollar store, and it's actually a silicone strainer that had little holes in it, and I cut the holes in a new pattern. So let's see if I like this. This strainer was only $1. I think I found it at Dollar Tree. Hopefully this soap isn't going to be one giant blob when I start trying to pour this. Also, I think I have a better recording angle this time, so let's see how it goes. I did an in the pot swirl. My main color is yellow, and there's also pink, purple, and blue in here. It looks like Rainbow Bright barfed in my soap. Oh no. Oh no. Well, first of all, it's not doing the super cool pattern that's supposed to do. Second of all, I think the fragrance oil riced. Take a look at that and tell me what you guys think. Is that ricing? All right. Apparently the colors I chose muddied, or the ricing just like killed the thing. I've never soaked with this fragrance before. This is Daisy Dream Girl from Wicked Suds. I've not used it before. And I've actually never used a, what do you call it, a floral fragrance before either. So this might totally just be my bad. Trying to do a recipe that requires a lot of liquid soap and fast moving fragrance oil. Look at that, it turned gray. The inside of the pot is, I don't know, is this ricing right here? It turned gray. My colors all blended together. I used titanium dioxide in the base and then added the color in. It's supposed to be like a happy bright pastel colors. Oh, I hope the inside turns out, y'all, because this is bad. It's so ugly. I don't even know if glitter can save this, and glitter saves everything, so this is quite sad. Okay, I'm gonna try and remove my little wire contraption from my strainer. I am wearing some new rewashable gloves, so I'm trying to ditch my my disposable gloves. So if they work out well, I can stop using disposable gloves and then save me a little bit of money, save the environment a little bit. That'll be good, right? Okay, I swirled this and I went about an inch into the bars. Ugh, it's just not pigmented enough. It's like, it's almost like my fragrance oil went gray, because this is more yellow than I've ever used. I used 4 scoops of yellow, and these little scoops, usually I only need 1.5 for a full measuring cup of this. I put 4 scoops into the big pot, and then I had 4 measuring cups out, right? Should have been very highly pigmented. It should not have been as pastel as it was. So I'm really hoping that this will lighten up tomorrow, and maybe the colors will start sticking a little bit better. I don't know. We're gonna have to cut it to find out. Might have been a fail. But anyways, I will see you guys for the cut tomorrow. Hi everybody, this is Beth Boysen from Boysenberry Soaps, and today I'm here to cut this Daisy Dream Girl that I tried to do a strainer pour with. I used basically the same setup as last time, except instead of using the strainer with the small holes, I used a modified silicone strainer. So I'm already not happy with this pour. I don't know what happened between the something happened. I don't know. So I'm pretty upset with the way this came out. The mica seems to have muted, and I'm not sure if it is a fragrance oil problem or maybe I just didn't put enough mica in, which is crazy because I always put a ton of mica in. And I put the same amount of mica in that I normally always put. So it seems like everything muted and turned gray. I don't know if like maybe my titanium dioxide was acting up. But yeah, this is basically what I'm working with. It is like one homogeneous blob. And I'm really disappointed. You can see more pigments towards the bottom. But anyway, I have Fussy Britches in his high chair right now. So I'm going to do the first cut with you guys where I can still talk to you and you guys can hear me. And then after that, I'm going to fast forward it. So I did the strainer swirl. So hopefully, let's see. And it did not work. That's ugly. So it looks like you guys are going to watch me try to rebatch a soap pretty soon. Because I'm not liking this at all. Ugh. It's more pigmented towards the bottom, but it's really ugly. I just don't know. Was it the FO? I don't know. Let's see. This one. Come on. All right. I am going to finish cutting this whole loaf, and then I will come back with you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, here's the final cut. I apologize, Fussy Britches is making his presence known. So, he's covered in... Yeah? He's covered in banana, and he wants to know why I won't let him peel every single banana in the house. He just doesn't understand. So, anyway, I don't really see any pieces that I think are usable. I'm going to leave them as is. I have a couple of choices. I can do either an oopsie sale, where I make them super cheap, or I can rebatch everything. And I might do the rebatch because I think this would look cute and floating soap pink. Anyway, if you guys like this video, I always post everything, even if it's an oopsie. Please give me a like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the ugly soap. So I took my little bits and ends from the soap and I tried to rebatch it. And I made it this cute little pink color, and I used a lot of glitter and stuff. It's been a couple of hours since I did the piping, and it seems to have flattened. I don't know why. It's got a little kind of a crust on the outside, but it's still really soft. So the outside's hard. It's not sticky at all. And the inside is, I guess, crusty. I don't know. But this is my 2-pound mold. And then I whipped the soap. So it's 2 pounds of soap, but since I whipped it, the topping, there was extra because it was whipped. It had lots of air in it. And I used this pink pig mica from Boysenberry
and I made a huge mess, and I used way too much glitter. But I'm gonna start cleaning this up now.